cleaning the mesh in screen above the shower is actually quite easy. There are several clips that are easy to pull off. Simply get one off and the rest will start to come away as well. Once it's off, you can then clean on the inside of the extractor area and take the screen for cleaning. So once you've cleaned the screen and the inside of the extractor area, it's simply a matter of pushing the screen back up and along the edges just push near the clips and you'll hear them clip back in. Go around the edges, just make sure they're all in and the job is complete. Just do a quick check to make sure everyone is clipped in. And you're good to go.